so much. When are you coming home? I want you on me. I don't wanna be alone. How many times did I hear those words? Now I've come home, I'm the one feeling alone. You've put the wall up, I'm staring at my phone. Thoughts running away, was it all just talk? Then I think about your mind, and I realize we're fine. It's like the New York skyline. It's up and down but beautiful at the same time. I don't think you get the gravity of the situation. It's the first time we got out since your revelation. 2 years, we're both single in the same town. I know you gotta work, and I feel like if you could you see me. But if it was real, surely you could make yourself free. Maybe we're not reading from the same page. Then I think about your mind, and I realize we're fine. It's like the New York skyline. It's up and down but beautiful at the same time. And then my thoughts, they settle down, 'cause I know that this ain't the end of the line. I don't know where we're going, but I know we'll be fine. I don't know where we're going, but I know we'll be fine. 'Cause now I've thought about your mind, I know we'll be fine. It's like the New York skyline. It's up and down but beautiful at the same time. They settle down, 'cause I know that this ain't the end of the line. And now my thoughts, they've settled down, 'cause I know there'll never be a